We're here with Mercedes-AMG and Cigarette Racing at the 2019 Miami International Boat Show. And this is the Mercedes-AMG GT63S 4-door. That is the Cigarette Racing 41-foot AMG Carbon Edition. What do they have in common? Not much. They got the same paint. This boat was inspired by this car though. Let me show you a little bit about it. The Carbon Edition is the only one of its kind. Every year, Mercedes-AMG and Cigarette Racing get together and create a boat that they sell to the public. We don't know the price, but it is a real boat and somebody will buy it. And it is an awesome real boat. This red seat material, it's made out of what Cigarette Racing calls cigarette cool upholstery. It deflects up to 30% of the heat it absorbs. So, you know, your tush can stay nice and cool when you're sitting on it. Over here, there are 3 17-inch high-definition Garmin screens. They show navigation information, engine information. It's like an infotainment system for your car, but in a boat. You know, you can see there's a lot of room here for you and your friends. You can fit up to 20 people at cruising speeds. If you're aiming for that top speed though, you only get 8 friends with you. But that's not a bad thing because Mercedes-AMG and Cigarette Racing took us out on this boat earlier. And frankly, without the windscreen to cover us from the wind, it would have been pretty torturous. With the windscreen though, it was like riding in a Maybach. And here at the back of the boat, where it's nice and calm, are 4 Mercury Racing 400R outboard engines. They combine to create 1,600 horsepower. That's more than 2.5 times the power of that, the AMG GT63S sedan, and its 630 horsepower powertrain. Now, you also got a lot of little logos to remind you, you're in a Cigarette Racing boat. They're celebrating 50 years. This is one of the logos. There's a nice little, you know, signature type logo over there, and on the sides, there's 50-year anniversary logos. As the Carbon Edition's name implies, this boat is filled with carbon fiber. This roof panel, carbon fiber. The deck, carbon fiber. The rudders, carbon fiber. There's a lot of it. And Mercedes-AMG and Cigarette Racing claim that all of the use of that helps this boat weigh 500 pounds less than the boat they unveiled 2 years ago. So, is the Cigarette Racing 41-foot AMG Carbon Edition really an AMG? No. It's a Cigarette Racing boat with 4 Mercury Marine engines in it. But what it takes from the AMG GT63S 4-door sedan is fantastic. This red interior, the gray exterior. It's a beautiful boat. And frankly, who cares if it's an AMG? It's got 1,600 horsepower. For that, we're thankful.